The Young Cruisers Association is hosting a flotilla down Shroud Key.
We're just trying to avoid coral heads.
I'm gonna laugh if somehow they had cut around the corner of the beach.
Oh my god. Whoa.
That's how you clean conch.
I'm Therese, and this is Cody. After meeting in Fiji, we decided to continue living our lives together. With a love for the ocean, we upgraded and combined our shelters to a 40-foot sailboat and started exploring our options. While working, fighting, loving each other, and dreaming, we also managed to make a human. This is Millie Breeze, our little girl we hope to teach that life is simple if you let it. Subscribe and join us with the world at our keel. Yesterday we made our way to Norman's Key, west side. It's kind of a sail we didn't want to film because I got mad at Cody for losing it, just like a diaper. So obviously, either way, what's going on? What are we doing?
We're looking at weather for our friends, actually, right now.
We are too. Wildly intrepid, Corey and Alex and baby Coral. We can't wait to have you. But apart from that, what's going on?
Right now we have
24 hours. Give us
24 hours, 26 minutes spearfishing adventure.
T-minus 26 right now?
Yeah, we have a lot of channel clinging crab that we had, or that we caught yesterday. And we ate all the fish because there really wasn't that many fish to shoot. But, so spearfishing adventure, fill up water for Alex and Taylor.
Yeah.
And then down to Shroud Key, I think, for tonight. And everyone should be heading there right now.
And
the Young Cruisers Association is hosting a flotilla down Shroud Keys, like Mangrove, Lazy River. And Millie has started walking every day now, so no more sitting down.
And we are, getting ready to move there in a bit.
Yeah.
Cody's just gonna go get some lobster first because it's been a while, so we can't. And Alex on Isabella here, gonna go try for that before we go back into the park.
Let's go get them.
Dad's gonna go get lobster for you. Yeah, you're just tired. Nap time?
And we got tore up by sharks. We're gonna go back on this other section here. We were a bit late on the current.
I don't see any lobster yet.
You might, maybe on this back section, but they're in touch.
About 8 in the morning. We are headed to Shroud Key to go and float. We're just trying to avoid coral heads, trying to get into shallow water. It's high tide, so it should be good. Cody's on the bow. We should be out of the woods now. Isabella's following us over here. Yeah, we managed to get out early. It's kind of rare. Really takes up a lot of time, but...
And as we navigated in through the shallows by Shroud Key and the entrances to the dinghy route, we really had no idea of the impact this day would have on our lives. The YCA's initiative to host social gatherings around the world has become a big thing amongst cruisers, and as we wrapped it up and joined forces with this crew to kick off what will probably be a yearly event, everyone's energy level was through the roof.
Yeah, just tie them together.
So on the... Oh, you go ride on that one?
Cheers! Hey! We're good.
All right.
Rolling. We're in the back.
You
Back
make us feel
7
bad
here.
now.
But we're gonna make it. We were first. We were. Let it be known.
You guys feel like it's pretty secure? Should I go faster?
Go on.
Maybe they're gonna float into it.
Yeah, so we all lost. Lost the rest.
Water here are the edges here. Yeah. But should we check?
That's the beach, like 100%.
I'm gonna laugh if somehow they had come around the corner.
We don't know.
She's got the. All right.
Nailed it. Yeah, we can get out
Towboat US.
The next morning, we set sail at high tide and made our way up to Staniel Key. We all needed to catch up on some work, but also we had a big conch experience ahead of us.
Where's Mom going?
Unfortunately, I can't give away Alex's secret spot, but let's just say it paid off.
Oh, we're at 3 minutes. That's not good. All right, look, here we go. We got all the colors right. So I've been put out on the no swimming duties because Therese needed to do some swimming. And we have a boat full of conch. Therese is still getting us a few more.
I'm not sure if it's big enough though.
Oh, no. Hey, your lip's more flared.
Yeah, that's fine.
It's probably the biggest conch I've ever.
This is too small.
I think we're just gonna take the biggest fish and then the small one.
Yeah.
Saddled up. Ready? Jump.
Down, you know, so on the garage it'll come down and just go straight down, and then once there's a well-defined lip,
Okay.
so yeah, that's
Got it then.
yeah. So that's why you use a flathead. So a lot of people will
Yeah, we
use a
need
claw
that.
hammer, and they'll just make a huge hole right here.
Right.
Yeah.
You don't actually need to do that. If you just use a flathead, you need the flat blade to cut the tendon on the inside. So yeah, the hole will only be this big. So you can either patch it with like some JB weld, or I just stick my thumb on it and then just get a hacksaw You just cut it. So it's like the third rung up. After that third rung. And then, so now you have your hole, and you can look in and see the tendon in there. So you're orienting the flathead screwdriver, so it's going vertical. So it'll cut the tendon in there. And usually I'll work down first, and then I'll go up. Just do that until it feels like there's no resistance. Everything should be cut. And then there's a fish. And then
Oh my god. Whoa!
See, this is where we cut. So if you do want to make a conch horn, everything that we cut off is still in there. You can actually look in there and see the rest of it. So if you want to keep it, stick your screwdriver in there. You can kind of like feed it out, you know? And then you can kind of shake it. And that's the rest of it.
God.
Yeah, it smells really bad, but it also makes really good fishing bait.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So that's not the edible part.
Nah, you don't eat that. So they have this mucus in there, like on the inside here, that once you get it on your hands, it's really hard to get it off.
Yeah.
So the sand helps.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, usually I'll just, so that's his dick right there. Cut his dick off.
That's conch dick.
Yeah.
Okay.
And so all this stuff in there.
Some people eat it, I think.
Yeah, the locals eat it. That skinny, I had one when I was a kid. The locals like, oh, eat this, man. And I was like, what is it? Like, it's the peca. And I was like, what? It's like, it's the peca, you know, like your peca. And I was like, oh. So his face. Cut that off. So, and then this is just this like weird looking thing I usually cut off. Here you can see this like this transition here, so that's where the mouth is. That's its poop chute. Yeah. So cut that open. You can see the and we'll rip that out. And you can also just kind of cut that whole section out if you want. It makes it. Get that out. Looks good. And then the foot. Some people keep this section. I usually cut it out.
So basically you just cut everything but the white. You want the nice clean white.
Yep. Yeah. Cut the foot off. From here.
Mucus is gone.
Yeah, and if you do, like, it'll help if you like rub it in the sand. The sand gets rid of it. So yeah, so usually I'll do 2 cuts through the skin. One right there. So I'll kind of get the skin started here. Both sides. And then this is where the rag comes in handy. So if you get a rag and then get it kind of sandy, the sand will help you grip the skin. And then just sand and the rag are the trick. That's pretty much it. So awesome. Yeah, so usually it's about.
Taylor, how's yours going?
Should have been here. No, this one's a bitch.
That's one.
That's how you clean conch.
Yep.
Millie, do you know how? Are you slacklining? Yeah?
Looks like the perfect thing for the dogs.
Hi, honey.
past couple of days made us some really good friends, and a few of them we got to hang out with for a little while longer.
Alright, roll out. Roll out. Yeah, roll out, Mom. We're going over to a buddy's boat to go and cook some of this conch that we got. We're gonna make cracked conch, which is where you take the conch. I didn't show that part, but you feed it with a mallet and then butter it, fry it, or batter it, fry it, and yeah. We're gonna make some potatoes. They got salads, conch. Should be good, huh? You ready to eat some conch?
Should have brought the real. Do any of you guys have YouTubes? Sorry, I didn't mean to ask. Yeah, so now you're on it and you're gonna say something. I didn't know. Well, this is Gabby. This is, we're on our boat. What's the name of your boat?
It's Isla.
And these people, everyone should know by now. Alex and Taylor and Isabella and Millie Breeze. What do you think about our dinner tonight?
I want boobs.
Yeah, the captain of the ship should be back soon. We'll film him separately. But we got delicious conch, we got fresh salad, and we got a weird potato mash that I made, which is not really supplementing.
What is this?
We don't know.
Did you do a...
I'm okay with that.
Bon appetito.
There he
On
is.
that lagoon port boat, do they have one?
Yeah,
Over here? And yeah, so yeah, if you could make this into a bed.
And say hi.